Hi, hello friends, welcome to Review. Today I'm going to review the Realme Buds Q. It's considered a master design by usually and 20 hours total playback like non-stop music. And it comes with a unique design like only 119mm super low latency gaming intelligence touch control comes with 10mm large drive dynamic bass boost instant connection like how it looks Buds looks like, and it comes with a great design. It comes with great design, great feature, and it comes with like corporate design. Like Hermes are director of the Realme Design Studios. They have created about constructing, disconstructing interior, most of new idea construction, and and codable design. Like spent most of his youth on urban beach while investing both of his life. Like the round shape of the cobble is perfect fit for your ears. You will be addicted to its forested texture, which feels like a cobble flowing in your hands. And it comes with like how it comes with three variants like a yellow, a quick yellow, and black and white. It comes with a unique design over a period of 180 days. The Realme team worked on design for Realme Bud to integrate about 200 times fine buds. These buds are almost shape is similar to Samsung earbud, Samsung buds, but they have one unique features: ultra light, lighter than sheets of A4 paper. Realme Buds Q weight only 3.6 grams. In made up of light blue strong base plus a special polymer composite, the ergonomic corker structure can perfectly fit in the ear canal, providing the comfort even when wearing for a long time. Mm. Data comes from Realme Lab. The white piece A4 paper is 4.3 grams per pound. This was lightweighter than A4 sheet. Small size, big battery. Even with this small size, each bud has 40 mAh built-in battery together with large 4,000 mAh battery in the charging case. Realme Buds Q has up to 20 hours battery life, which can easily allow all-day use. Can use 24 hours charging by use 24 hours capability of charge usage, like 20 hours total playback. You can play 4.5 hours single continuous music listening time, 5 hours single continuous gaming time, 3 hours single continuous calling time, 6 hours single continuous video watching time. Here is an incredible sound experience like 10mm large bass boost driver. Realme Q features a 10mm large dynamic bass boost driver with premium peak pure pistol polymer composite program, and as a result you get clear vocal in mid-high range frequency as well as powerful bass for incredible sound experience. Powerful bass dynamic bass boost like DBB solution. This is most powerful and deep and gives same experience as in constant. Like how you check the quality of bass, like super AAC AD audio codec and dynamic bass boost 8 dB solution. Instantly connect with a Bluetooth 5.0. The Realme Buds Q connect with a powerful R1Q chip that supports Bluetooth 5.0 technology. Therefore, you can connect Bud Q with your phone in time you open the case and take them out. It comes with a new super design like a super low latency gaming mode. The R1Q chips support dual channel real time transmission technology, and two buds can stay connected to the phone independently. Moreover, the gaming mode drastically reduces latency to 119 and the result is perfect sync between audio and visual while watching movies or playing games. It comes to 9 microseconds. Here is some of the great features like a double tap pause play music answer calls, triple tap go to next song, press and hold on side end card, press and hold button side enter and exit gaming mode. Here is the same one like Realme Link app. Customize your buds. The Realme Buds Q supports all new Realme Link apps that which adds Buds Q to Realme a lot. You custom open the app and you are free to customize touch control of your Realme Bud Q. These are the amazing features. Like it comes with IPX water resistant, no worries. The real-time buds also features IPX4 resistant to prevent sweat and rain from damaging the device, giving you the full sense of visibility. It was the most like I hear most advanced feature 10,000 times power on off test like 2000 times charging port test, stability test like 5000 times charging port plug-in out test, 7000 times macro dot test like a minus 15 to 750 degrees on 168 hours temperature test. It can last long as soon as possible. This is the quick review of a Realme Bud Q. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want this product, check the description for the product. Make sure you subscribe button, like this video and share this video.